How to buy Moonveil Studio token. So this token came under the symbol of more. So this is another token of more. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now this token is available on MEXC, but before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, first of all, what you need to do is just open the MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go in the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click here and I will just copy the token symbol like that. So after you copy it, now go back to your MEXC account. Now in the search bar, now click here and paste the token symbol like that. Now select the pair that have USDT like that. Now click on it. So wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, you need to wait 3 days from now to be able to buy the token. So after that 3 days finish, what you need to do, just here you can type how much you want to buy like that. And now here you will be able to see the quantity that you will receive that token. And after that, click on buy. And now in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your account. So this is how to buy more token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.